Hello and welcome to another English grammar lesson on this channel. Today our focus is on too much and so much. When do we use them in sentences? A lot of people misuse too and so in sentences. The truth is that they are different. Too is used when something is excess. When you have excessive, use to. Why so is used to show the extent of something. The extent of something. Therefore, we use too much to show that something is more than required. So when something is more than required, more than necessary, use too much. Now, when too much is used, there is always negative effect. So too much is used when there is negative effect or when there is a problem. So too much is used to show that something is more than required or more than necessary, and that results to a problem or it brings negative effect. Okay? Use so much when you are only referring to something being in large amount. So when something is in large amount, we use so much. Okay? We also use so much to express strong feeling about something. With this understanding, let's fill up these gaps. As I read out a question, please try and see if you can guess the correct answer before I write it down, okay? 1. He takes blank sugar every day. What do you think about this? Should it be too much or so much? This sentence suggests that the sugar intake is excessive. And when sugar is taken excess, there is a negative effect. So the correct answer is too much. He takes too much sugar every day. 2. Thank you, blank, for your support. This is about showing strong gratitude to someone. So it's about strong feeling. That means the correct answer is so much. Thank you so much for your support. 3. There is blank noise in this room. Here we are talking about noise, and noise always has negative effect. So when there is negative effect of something, use too much. There is too much noise in this room. 4. She talks blank during lessons. Here, the sentence suggests that the person talks excessively. So the talking is excessive, and that can result to a problem. So when there is a problem, use too much. She talks too much during lessons. 5. I love you, blank. Here is about expressing strong feeling. So the correct answer is so much. I love you so much. 6. We have blank homework tonight. Here it can be we have so much homework tonight. It can also be we have too much homework tonight. But in this sentence, we are not told that there is a problem. Okay? So there is no problem here. No problem about having the homework. That means so much is suitable. It's only referring to having a large amount of homework. Okay, there's no problem about it. We have so much homework tonight. 7. He drinks blank coffee. He can't sleep. In this sentence, this part shows that there's a problem, which brings about negative effect. So when there is negative effect of something, use too much. It means it is too much. He drinks too much coffee. He can't sleep. 8. There is blank traffic today. When there is heavy traffic, it usually causes delay, and that is a problem. Okay? It means it is too much. There is too much traffic today. 9. She cares about you blank. This is about expressing strong feeling of gratitude. That means so much is the correct answer. 10. I spent blank money yesterday. Here, the sentence suggests that the money spent was more than required. Okay, so when something is excess, use too much. I spent too much money yesterday. 11. We have blank time before the exam. This sentence suggests that we have enough time before the exam. There is no problem at all. Having enough time before the exam is positive. That means so much is the correct answer. We have so much time before the exam. 12. The boy watches TV blank at night. This sentence suggests unhealthy habits, and that brings about negative effects. It means the boy watches TV excessively at night, so too much should be the correct answer. 13. There is blank water on the floor. Here, it could be that there is a leakage or the floor is messed up, so it's a problem. Okay? It has negative effect, so too much should be the correct answer. 14. Thank you blank for coming. Here we are expressing strong gratitude, strong feeling to someone. So the correct answer should be so much. The last one. She worries blank about everything. Should it be too much or so much? Thank you for watching. See you in my next grammar class.